Karbi Students Association Tekilangjun branch inaugurated football knockout tournament at Chekso Langso LP School Playground, Malongari on 23rd October. Karbi Students Association Hawarkahat branch committee reshuffled its body on 23rd October. APHLC organized mass joining cum 6th schedule awareness program at Diopani. Amar Jivan adawai kinangji atumaphan isi birta kemi. Bangso adawai non ke Karbiang long pen West Karbiang long along setami long ponikji. Lapenan parta nanglina hok damde hem totlun pen nangli hem an nangke pathon kok mate home delivery our size setami do ikji. Lasi humri ignon Amar Jivan.
Amar Jivan huwa adawai la Karbi news along paklang kombon sila. Jika tanya perang-perang langsung dan son akisu, son akisu mi kuala pensi ini eglong pen. Jadi mata akisu do lah suatu yang pensi kita hampen kecicini si lah, pahit akisu tado, gestri tado, baking, arah pikisu tado, kucero tado, son dia akisu pen lah, Amar Jivan, adawai, suhang dun pen, nang lelo lah si. Perang itip jolo, kasi kisuang teg bangke non kacicinia bangke la gestri ke bang kimia sonsi dambom lo la pen la pai tak kisu bang la perang ke ciklo yon long batai ini batai thom ke klang kita la suki chupen media tateng lo.
Klar dak pen kacini jiapan troxy phaiwi hini trok ho phaiwi troxy nerkapalong humri ignon. Good morning everyone, you are watching Karbing Long Live English Prime Time. With a vision to uplift sports culture at the region, Karbi Students Association Tekilangjun branch initiated an inaugural ceremony of football knockout tournament at Chekso Langso LP School Playground, Malongari on 23rd October. The inaugural ceremony of the tournament was chaired by Joythas Terang, President, Tekilangjun KSA branch, Thansing Timung, President of KSA Central Executive Committee, Rostom Beg, KSA Organizing Secretary, Robin Killing, President of KSA Hawarkahat Regional Committee, Dhoni Tokbi, Mandal, Amarjit Tiso, Secretary, Tekilangjun LEMS, Amarjit Ingti, Tekilangjun LEMS, and several important dignitaries of the region attended the inaugural ceremony. The initial match of the tournament was played between Kayamilur FC and Etpotaro FC. Throughout the match, due to the excellent skills and performance from both the teams, both managed to secure 2 goals each at the end of the match. Hence, to decide the winner of the tournament, a penalty shot out was made, where Etpotaro FC managed to bag the victory title of the match. Thansing Timung, President of Karbi Students Association, while speaking to us, appreciated the collective effort made from KSA Tekilangjun branch and KSA Malongari branch in organizing football knockout tournament. He informed that the motive behind such tournament is to encourage and uplift the youth in excelling in the field of sports and to divert the concentrations of like-minded youths from any form of intoxicants. Such types of tournament aims to provide a platform and act as a ladder to all the talented youths in reaching at the national and international levels.
Bilochally song pen lahai football tournament kipat thik punang kok bangalalo non risoi jang tumhan kipat thu anat lan so se kipat chi hongji la pen risoi jang tumhan arakia horu pen kipat tini aji phajin tu lahai football tournament itum kipat thik pondo athe non langdam platang te itum kipat thu pen dame penang an owe kimi tuma career ka chipa messenger son theglong ini tum langdam potome mane athletic jong international level national level le dulu pote government be sewar side do mane football players mane cricketers to tame national international level le dulu potang te alang dituma career tame government support ki pido big.
Samsing Ingtis reports from Dongmukak for Karbing Long Live. On 23rd October, Karbi Students Association Hawarkahat branch committee reshuffled its body at Hawarkahat Higher Secondary School. To strengthen the association, Karbi Students Association Hawarkahat branch committee reshuffled its body for the next 2 years terms at Hawarkahat Higher Secondary School. The body reshuffling program was chaired by Rameswar Terang, Biswajit Teron, General Secretary of KSA, Sarthe Ronghang, executive members, KSA, and several eminent students leaders attended as a guest of the event. It was reported that after a prolonged discussions, it was unanimously decided to appoint Rameswar Terang as the president, Ruptalin Inhipi as the vice president, Suresh Rongchehon as the secretary, and Binod Ingti as the assistant secretary of Hawarkahat branch committee for the next 23rd year term. 7 additional office bearers and 5 executive members were also appointed during the event. 1 minute of silence was also made as a mark of honor and respect to the departed souls of ex-students leaders of Hawarkahat branch committee.
Ningkan suri ni rengkoi rahini, lapen ningkan suri ni rengkoi rapli farman dak arpu ka celara mai pedolo, udah sa full meet pedo pon. Arpu ke deng ponel tu office bearers pelorong dalam ke bank prep ho, lapen general members bank po lapen dak nanga chatong ana tu mangke la banke general members lo dia khala banke bank po banke executive members po la phone of dak arpu ke chokli man banke dak ko pleng pon lablo.
Harsing Rongpi reports from Hawarkahat for Karbin Long Live. On 22nd October, All Party Hills Leaders Conference organized a mass joining cum 6th schedule awareness program at Diopani. All Party Hills Leaders Conference APHLC had been unceasingly organizing mass joining cum awareness on 6th schedule across the district. Likewise, on 22nd October, mass joining cum 6th schedule awareness program was organized at Longki Tiso Playground under Elongchedon Polling Station, Diopani constituency. The program was chaired by Bidon Ingti, the party president, J.I. Kathar, along with several important dignitaries of the party attended the event. J.I. Kathar, president of the party, while speaking to us, informed that as many as 100 families from different political parties had embraced APHLC party during the event, and maximum of the families were the loyalists of BJP, then Congress, followed by ASDC.
के हाई कोर्ट लेके हाई लो तेहदी री-इलेक्शन के दोवेक को अनके हाई कोर्ट बंगे हाई जी पालामा बंगे इतुम पुथिप उन आठे महला आर्टिकल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लोंग आर्टिकल 243M पालोंग दो पेन ZC पालोंग ता दो लाके ला पंचायत आलो पेन के हेदी 6 शेड्यूल आ एरिया के थांग दा काम क्लेमुन एक बुझिया के तक दो अंते चुके हला स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन के लाके पंचायत आलो पेन से सलाम के लगे पार्ट 9 पेन आर्टिकल 243K पेन से सलाम के लगे पंचायत अफाद.
Subhas Terang's report from Langchiting for Karbin Long Live. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.